Hey guys, are you into nuts? Are you into candy nuts, peanuts, salty nuts, unsalted nuts? This video is all about nuts. I'm Zachus, and here we go. Alright guys, I am a huge peanut person. I love really salted peanuts. I love yogurt covered peanuts. I love chocolate covered peanuts. I love candied peanuts. I love peanuts. Okay, I love cashews, almonds. I love nuts. And I came across this company just kind of accidentally called Nuts.com. It's family owned. It's a small family-owned business, and all they do is nuts, and they do it really well. And I just thought, I'll try it. I'll order a pack of some yogurt nuts. I've been trying to find yogurt nuts forever, and I couldn't find them anywhere, so I went online looking, and that's how I found Nuts.com. And I just thought, you know what, they're running a special, $29, free shipping. I'll order a few things. And I was just blown away. First of all, the salted peanuts are the saltiest peanuts I've ever had. They're absolutely the best salted peanuts I've ever had. I'm just telling you that hands down. And I've had peanuts from all over, all kinds of peanuts, from specialty shops to the grocery store. And the higher end stuff, the low end stuff, these are the best peanuts in the world. They come in a bag like this, and they change the color up so you never know what you get. You get a label on the back that tells you what it is. And these are seaweed potato peanuts, and they're really, really good. They're like crunchy and hard. And then I got maple peanuts, which are really, really good. And then they have these ginger snaps with yogurt over them, and these are pretzels, and I've got a ton more. I'll show you that in the video. But chocolate covered, candy covered, cinnamon sugar covered. I just wanted, when I got that first batch, I was like so blown away that I ordered some for my family. I ordered some more for me. I wanted to try a bunch for you guys so I could do a video on this and show you guys, are they real, are they good? I did have one problem. I got a big batch of peanuts because they were so salty, and they came unsalted. And so I was really disappointed. I thought, oh, is that just like a one-time thing? So I wrote them and I sent them pictures, and they're like, oh no, they should be salty. I mean, they were so salty, you could see the salt. It was really good flavor. And they were like, we're so sorry, we're gonna take care of that. We're gonna send you another batch. And so they're working on that, sending me another batch of those. But I'm impressed now with the customer service. They're just so very responsive, and so they handled it really carefully and with great care in the right way. Like, instead of saying, well, sorry, or trying again, or they just were right there responding via email. I didn't have to call or anything, and they just got me my nuts. And so I just wanted to do a quick video, nothing crazy. They don't know I'm doing this video. I'm not sponsored by them. They don't know me. They don't know that this is Zachus ordering peanuts. But I wanted to just show you guys some of the stuff so you could see this company. And I'm sure you love nuts, and you probably have seen some of their ads. You stumbled across their website and came to YouTube to find out, are they good? Is it legit? All that kind of stuff. I'm here to tell you, it is way crazy cool. They have some great products. I haven't tried any of their candy, so I can't speak to that, like their gummy bears or peanut stuff, peanut butter stuff, or they have a lot of different product lines. I've only ordered nuts or things with nuts. So that's my 2 cents on it. You get what you pay for. The costs are free. What it is. I love seeing your beautiful faces. I hope this video helped you, and I hope that it helped you make a decision here. I'll put the link down below. You can click on it. I appreciate you using my links. It always helps a little bit. And I am so grateful for you, and I hope that I catch you in another Zachus video. Peace.